गणाति सेवितं कपित्त जम्बूफलसार भक्षितम् उमासुतं शोक विनाश कारणम् नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम् नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम् Namaste everyone. I'm really very honored to be performing in this prestigious university. I've heard about this university, but this is the first time I'm here. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Dean and all the faculty members of this Banaras University, and to the music department, and to all the students who have come here. Very happy to perform here today, and also very happy to share the stage with Dr. Prasad ji on Mridangam, and also Dr. Chaudhary ji on harmonium, and thanks to your name Manisha. Thanks to Manisha for having this tambura support for me today. Thank you so much. Today we will be presenting a mix of Carnatic compositions and some Marathi abhangs and some classical Hindi songs. First of all, I'm sorry I don't speak Hindi, so I'm speaking in English. So whatever, I'm trying my best in my pronunciation. Please do excuse me if there is any mistake. And first of all, we are going to start the program with a Carnatic composition called Varnam. So I will give a small introduction about Varnam. We actually, in our Carnatic music the concerts, we usually start with a brisk start. So we usually start with a Varnam. Varnam, we put it in two halves. The first half has some subdivisions called Pallavi 2 lines, Anupallavi 2 lines, and Chittaswaram. It is a very brisk start to the program. So the first half will sing in 2 speeds, the first speed and the second speed. And the second half, we call it as Charanam, which is Antara, I believe in Hindustani. And which has like a lot of swar patterns in that. So Charanam, and it followed by a lot of swar patterns, which will be sung in 1 speed, which is a little bit in a fast beat. So we'll be starting with the Varnam in the Rag Behag, composed by Professor Shri T.R. Subramaniam. He's from Delhi University, and it's such a beautiful Varnam with a lot of rhythmic patterns to that. I hope you will enjoy. It is the tal Adi. Adi has 8 beats. So that was the Varnam in the language Telugu. The next composition is a Marathi Abhang, which is in the Ragam Yaman. Everybody should be knowing about Yaman Rag. So in Carnatic music we have Kalyani, equivalent to Yaman. And this is a very beautiful Abhanga composed by Tukaram Maharaj. And he has composed a lot of abhangs. Tukaram abhangs are plenty actually, or plenty. And most of the abhangs are in praise of Lord Vittal, Rakhumai and Vittal from Pandharpur. But there are quite a few abhangs which is in praise of Lord Guru, Ganesh Murthy, and also Krishna Abang, Ram Abang are there. So this is about Lord Guru. Guru is Lord Adi Guru Datta Murthy. So I'll be presenting a small, not like an ala, but there will be a small shlokam about Datta, Adi Guru Datta. Adi Guru Datta is a form of Bhagavan Vishnu, Brahma and Shiva, and he is called as Adi Guru Datta Murthy, Dattatreya. Vande Guruna Charana Ravinde Sandarshita Swama Sukha Nihashreyase Jangalikayamane Samsara Hara Hara Mohashanyai Om Shri Guru Datta Shri Guru Dattaya Namaha. Om Shri Guru Dattaya Namaha. Shri Guru Dattaya Namaha. It is in the tal, we call it as Mishra Japu, which is like 7 beats. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Takkitta, takka, jimmy, takkitta, takka, jimmy. This is the beat for this abang. Santa Sangati Cha Mahima Adbhuta Santa Sangati Cha Mahima Adbhuta Santa Sangati Cha Mahima Adbhuta Koti Jnanavanta Koti Jnanavanta Koti Jnanavanta Koti Jnanavanta Sarva Guni Santa Sangati Cha Mahima Adbhuta एक क्षणे संग संगति महिम अद्भुत संग संगति महिम अद्भुत. So while sir is setting his shruti, I'll be going to the next composition. It is a Hindi composition composed by Shri Bobby Ramdas Mishra ji in the rag Durga. I hope that it is an Hindustani rag Durga. So we have an equivalent ragam in Carnatic music. We call it as Sundha Saveri. So it's a very beautiful rag, and this song is about goddess Durga Mata. So it is nicely tuned in Durga Ragam as well. It's a very beautiful, the tune, it's a small, very cute bhajan, and it is set in Adi Tal, which is having 8 beats. But we have in between, there is a, we call it as a Nadai. So Sar should be knowing about that, which is Tisra Nadai. Tisra means 3. So it goes like tak it, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So many of the dancers should be knowing about all these nadais. So the last song, which was in like the beat of 7, this is Adi Tal, but it comes in like in between there is a nadai called Tisra Nadai. bhajan, towards the end of this bhajan, there will be a small swara pattern. We call it as a Chettiswaram. It's a very beautiful, catchy, the rhythmic pattern for that. Jai 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 Durge Mata Bhavani. Jai 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 Durge Mata Bhavani. Jai 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 Durge Mata Bhavani. Jai सब जगत को दुख हरणी, सब जगत को दुख हरणी, सब जगत को दुख हरणी, सब जगत को दुख हरणी। जय 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 दुर्गे माता भवानी। जय The next is a very beautiful composition of Swami Dayanand Saraswati in the rag Tilan. Again, it is a Hindustani rag. I have chosen for the Carnatic also because of the harmonium, because it's from having the Hindustani background. So we have chosen, for the Carnatic side also have chosen many Hindustani rags only. So which we will be also singing in Tilak. In Carnatic also we have a lot of beautiful compositions in Tilak. So this is a beautiful composition of Swami Dayanand Saraswati in the Tal Adi, which has 8 beats, and it is about Lord Ganesha. महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि, महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि, महादेवमुदं शिरसा नमामि, 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 महागणपतिं